Alright guys, how are we doing? So today I've been pretty bored, and to cure my boredom I thought I'd make a little video to show you guys something about me which some would say is frankly ridiculous, but I would say it's pretty awesome. Today I basically spent my day playing a bit of FIFA and watching Sky Sports News for the last 2 hours, which is stupid. So let's go see it now. My hat collection. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 hats. Ridiculous, right? I think that each one tells a little story of when I bought it. This one, for example, is the first one that I ever bought. I got this when I was in a random shop in Adelaide. I saw it, thought it was cool, gold, Miami Heat, my favourite basketball team, so I thought, why not buy it? Then it kind of spiraled out of control from there, and I got 26 more. But some cool ones. I got a few from the Olympics, one from Commonwealth, and then this one here is my personal favourite. Check this out. How cool is that? I think it is. So yeah, 27 hats. That's me.